Hi, it's Mark, RPM Tesla Aftermarket Accessories. Today we're going to show everybody how to install a couple of items to their center console in their Model 3 and their Model Y. This, of course, is the back seat of the center console, and this is our beautiful vent cover. We call it a back seat vent cover. We make this in ABS carbon fiber printed as well as real dry molded carbon fiber. Installation is the same way, but we just wanted to make a quick video to show everybody how to install this, and also the underneath kick plate area. We also make this great part. So this is really nice if you don't want this to get scratched up for your kid, any kids in the back seat or maybe sitting in the middle seat. Look at how nice it fits. Again, we make this in the same ABS carbon printed. We also make it in white. We also make it in black. So if you like the dry, dark, matte carbon fiber, this kind of brings it all together, as well as if you have on our side panel covers and the center console itself. So again, the center console here is all matte carbon fiber, and this is with all of our products installed. So we just wanted to make another video demonstrating how easy it is to put it all on. It's just double-sided tape. And again, the side panel piece went on the same way, but basically just get in the back seat of your car. This is our simulator in our showroom, but get in the back seat of your car, and all you have to do is find some rubbing alcohol. Nowadays, we all know how hard that is, but find some rubbing alcohol or Windex if you can't find it. Take a look at the part and realize where the tape's going to hold. So it's holding straight across the top, right across the middle. So wipe it all off with some rubbing alcohol or Windex if you don't have any. And this is just going to help remove grease, oils, dirt, anything that may interfere with the bonding of this tape. Now, this red tape liner that I'm going to take off now, of course, is 3M VHB, which stands for very high bonding tape. So just peel all of the red liners off, and don't peel this off until after you try it. We do have free returns, of course. You have to just ship it back if you don't like something. But once you take the red liner off and you put it on, it's not going to be resellable and not going to be returnable or exchangeable. So please don't take the liner off the double-sided tape until you try it. You love how it fits. You like how it protects your car, and of course you love the style and design of the pattern. But watch how simple this installs. Just simply put it right on over the vent. The USB ports line up and press it down. I mean, that's it. It's on, it's secure. Now, we always encourage people to use that same microfiber towel and press it down, because double-sided tape is pressure sensitive adhesive. So you need to apply pressure to make it adhere. So again, you can put it on like that, put lots of pressure on it, and it's down, it's stuck, and it's on the vent. It's not going to come off unless you want to remove it. And if you ever want to remove it, just warm it up with a heat gun or a hair dryer. The double-sided tape underneath will soften, so you can pull it right off. Okay, so let's move on to the floor or the lower arm protection area. So this is the back seat vent cover, or the lower arm cover, because this is like an arm. And again, same thing, we're going to put it on just like this, and you're going to be putting it on right over the carpet level at the bottom here. Back up. So the carpet's going to be just like this in your car. You're going to be pressing it on. So first thing is preparation. Again, a little rubbing alcohol, and you want to use it specifically in the 4 areas where the double-sided tape is going to hold on. So that would include the top, the bottom, and the middle. And again, you're just trying to take off any kind of like Armorall or any kind of solution that may have been put on here, so any kind of grease, dirt, or oils. And then just simply peel off the double-sided tape, liner, which is this red liner. Just pull that off. All 4 pieces. And now you're leaving the VHB tape exposed, so you don't want to let any dirt or anything get on it. Now, of course, you want to make sure you line it up correctly. So remember, the narrow end is the top, the wider end is the bottom, and just simply start at the top. You're going to press it all the way up to the vent cover, and then push it all the way up like this. Get it right on the line on both sides. Make sure it's in position correctly, and then apply pressure. Now this will be a little more awkward because you're going to be sitting on the floor in the back seat of your Tesla. But again, use the same towel and put some pressure on it. This double-sided tape will grab, but it needs pressure to help bonding. And if you happen to notice it's loose at all, or it doesn't seem to be holding good, we always encourage using some painter's tape or something that will help the pressure. So if you have some painter's tape, just put some tape on it, run it up here, run it up, and maybe close this, but just apply some pressure. Or if it ever comes loose, same thing. Just clean it good, apply pressure, and that's it. Now let's do a little extra thing here I was just thinking about. Let's install or show how to install the side panel. So I'm going to turn the camera over. So let's get into that right now, and we'll do that next.